The topic of today's video is how to customize Webull desktop. So here we are on the desktop app version of Webull, and usually you would start on watch lists or pretty much whatever you've been on. What we quickly want to do is jump over to stocks so I can just show you how to have multiple screens here. So if we are on chart over here on the top and we click on the grid icon here, you'll notice a sidebar comes up, and if you click on these you can have multiple or single grids. This is great for basically being able to keep track of all your info, and you can put all your different graphs onto a chart. And if there's a specific brand you want to search for, you can just type it in there and it'll pop up in your new chart. Now, furthermore, on the customization side, we can come to the actual customize tab on the left here. Now, in here, you can start off on a blank canvas and you can just drop in widgets as you like. However, you can also use a template, so you can just click on the plus here and you can use either the blank layout or any of these layout options here. So for instance, multi-charts. Furthermore, you can click on this little toolbox over here and add your own widgets. And you have a ton of widget options. You can just double click on whichever widget you want to use and you can just position them wherever you need them. And that's how you can easily customize your Webull desktop app to your specific needs. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.